Hi friends, Krista from Doc's Quilt Shop. We have a new line that has just come in. It is called Red Truck Road Trip. And it is a patriotic theme, but look how cute the panel is. This is the panel. Isn't that just adorable? So cute. So now let me show you the rest of it. So our first one, it looks like a denim. It's kind of got the hash marks and stuff. It looks like a denim, and this is in cobalt. That's the color. This is a herringbone shape design, and this is red. We have another herringbone shape in navy. And then we have these 3 bolts that look like they are the main, and they're in this beautiful florals, and it's got stars and ribbons. And this is the ivory. This is navy. And this one is a little bit different, but it's got florals, and this is in blue. Another type of floral in white. And the floral in navy. And here we've got a bunch of stars in ivory. And stars in navy. And then these last 2 bolts have stars and ribbons in the stars and red and white stripes. And this is in ivory. And the last one here is in baby blue. So let me know what you think about the new line. I think it's really cute, and I think it'll make a great quilt. If you like us, be sure to follow us on Facebook and YouTube, and you can see the latest tutorials and newest additions. And be sure to click the button, and it'll alert you to when we have a new tutorial. Have a great day. Happy sewing, everyone.